So here it is. This is our little mini fortress, if you will. So if you remember a couple months back, we were showing you before we got into upstairs, a lot of things happening in this bathroom. Tub surrounds obviously coming out. This wall that's bumped out to house the plumbing is going to be demoed back to here. This closet is going to go away. We're going to open up this wall here, and this wall actually ties in. Let's walk in here. So this is their master bedroom, and this was their closet. So this wall right here is where you were just looking at that tub surround. So this wall is going to come down, which is going to make their bathroom grow an additional 5 feet. We're going to have plenty of room in here to put that tub, walk-in shower, vanity, the whole nine. And then we're even going to transform this guy. We're going to have a little half bath right on the front side, but we'll get into all that. So stay tuned. We're going to start getting all this tore out, and we're going to show you some things along the way. So what's the deal with that tub? Look. Take that off. Oh. Look at that. Classic. You over there?
Yep.
Coming through. We've gained interest, son. Oh, Lord. We're in the closet now, brother. All right. Classic. We got paneling. So there it is. Look how much bigger that is now. Everything out. So you could see based on the pad right there, that last little line right there, that is what we grew an additional 5 feet. So now when you walk in, there was the front of the tub. And now look at all that space we just gained in here.